Good day! Have you not wondered what's the use of the third pin in our appliances plug? Well, if you are, then you might want to know its applications and why we should know its importance while plugging it to an outlet. Before going into details, let us first know its meaning. According to Wikipedia, a plug is a movable connector attached to an electrically operated device. It is a male connector with protruding pins that match the openings and female contact in a socket. To make it short, it is the connection towards the electricity with the use of sockets from the device or appliances. As of this year, there are 15 types of domestic electrical outlet plugs worldwide, and 11 of which are 3-pin plugs. It is designed to be 3-pin so that electrical appliances can be safely supplied by electricity. In the Philippines, our standard voltage is 220 and standard frequency is 60. For us to be able to distinguish which is more advisable to use, let us know the differences between the two. For the 3-pin plug, the plug itself needs to be earthed or grounded to avoid the risk of electrocution. It is bigger and thicker than the rest of the pins. It is usually found on large current devices or appliances such as refrigerators, washing machine, hot and cold dispenser, air conditioner, and many more. On the other hand, 2-pin plug does not need enough electricity to require a ground, since it operates on low current devices or appliances like mobile phone chargers, TV and DVD players, electric fan, and many more. Can you see now the difference? Based from what I observed, there are 3 types of power plugs and sockets here in our country. These are Type A, Type B, and Type C. Now let us familiarize the parts inside the 3-pin plug. The neutral or blue wire is the route the electric current takes when it exits an appliance. It is for this reason the neutral wire has a voltage close to 0. The live or brown wire is connected to a fuse in the live pin. The electric current uses the live wire as its route in. The earth wire is green and yellow, connected to the earth pin. This is used when the appliance has a metal casing to take any current away if the live wire comes in contact with the casing. And of course, we have cable grip, flex, and fuse. For our own safety, most electricians recommend leaving the third pin attached to the wire of an electrical plug. I believe this is the answer to our second question, is it really okay to remove the third pin plug? Now we proceed to its advantages and disadvantages. For advantages, its main function is for our safety. Electrical socket outlets with 3-pin can reach maximum current up to 13 amperes. And for the disadvantages, many countries don't use this because they also have different types of plug which is compatible to the appliances or devices they manufactured or produced. It can be a hassle to work around because you need to look for or provide an adapter every time the socket does not fit with a plug. For some reason, there is an advantage of having a 3-pin plug. We may prefer to have the most convenient plug, but considering its safety measure is a must, just like how third pin makes us safe and prevent us from electric shock. Each country has different types of plug, and that is one we should be aware of. To sum up everything, third pin is the ground pin, and ground is used to protect people from electric shock, and assures the part of the device we might touch will be at most 0 voltage compared to ground. Cutting off the third pin plug would possibly lose the ability to properly ground our device. It might still work, but I doubt if it would still be safe. If you are plugging the removed third pin plug in the wet or outside, I suggest to not do it because you might get electric shock. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something about 3-pin plug. Thank you for watching till the end. Be aware, be cautious, and always remember safety first.